This brand is made by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. The units have a baked polyester paint finish over galvanized steel for maximum durability, but their guarantee is not as good as other brands. All of their air conditioners feature their MHT technology, which includes a specially designed fan shroud that pulls air evenly throughout the coil surface. The coil has rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow, and lanced coil fins increase surface contact between metal and air. The MHT technology ensures maximum heat transfer and efficiency while maintaining a compact unit footprint. The units are made in America and are sold through Hamilton Home Products and the Home Depot. All of the units feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from damage due to hail and debris from lawnmowers. They use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R-32. The 4AC16L models are basic air conditioners with durable scroll compressors and a 14-seer, and are sold with the line set and evaporator coil as a set. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.